Hi, this is Birasa. Today I am at my terrace garden. Today my video is about the garden related only. Today my video is about the DIY growing bags. Growing bags we need not only planting of new saplings. Sometimes if we have a shortage of the pot also we will use our growing bags, and if you have a garden, growing bag is must. Before starting my video, I will show you some glimpse of my garden. Then we will start our video. Terrace garden. Okay, this is my all are my plants. This is snake plant. I have two snake plant. Here also there's a small garden. This is the view. Hello, I will show you 2-3 ways to make a grow bags. Okay, small and big and large. Okay, you just watch the video, the size you want for your grow bags, you just cut it. Okay, medium, big, large, whatever the plant demand. Okay, you just cut it. I need medium size, so I'm going to cut it. Take this one and you can cut it. Okay, you can make a 2-part also, but I want a bigger part, so I'm using this one only. And here's everything is stitched. Okay, and here, okay, I have to stitch this one because it's torn out. Okay, first you take a stapler. Okay, first you stitch with stapler. First stitch it with stapler. Okay, then you have to stitch it. Okay, stitch with stapler. Okay, and you just take a thread. Okay, if you have a kite thread it will be better. Okay, the better the quality of your thread will your grow bags will last long. And we are going to stitch it here like this way. You have to stitch. But after stitching it, okay, here also if you want to give a neat finish, okay, you just fold it. Okay, and just fold it whatever the measurement you want. Just fold it, and we are going to apply stapler all over. Has no function, but here main joint portion you have to stitch it properly. Okay, this is your first grow back. Okay, it will last longer. You can grow whatever plant you want. This, okay, you just take one any pointer. Okay, and you have to make a hole. Okay, so that the water will drain out easily. Hole must be there. Okay, or milk plastic, this type of plastic is very good. Okay, small grow bags is also very much essential. Okay, if you want to do a cutting, okay, first you have to grow it in a small bag, then you have to shift it to the plant. In my next video I will show you some cuttings of different plant. Okay, today we will make just grow bags only. Like this you cut it. Okay, and at the end, okay, you just give hole 1 2 3. Okay, and on the top you just stick it. And we are going to step. you want, you can stitch it also. Okay, like this way. Now you can grow any plant. Okay, it cannot it maybe last for 2-3 years, but can't last longer. Okay, this type of plastic is just to you use for cutting only. Okay, growing some small plant. First you grow it in a small bag like this, and later on you can shift it to the pot. And third one is, if you have a plastic bag like this, especially if you have a shopping bags which comes from online shopping, or many Poco Pants many Poco Pants plastic like that plastic. Okay, this is just ordinary plastic. I'm just going to show you demonstration how to make it. Okay, if you have it, okay, you can make it a grow bag. First you take this one down portion. Okay, like this you have to do. If you have a stapler, you can stick with the stapler, or if you want to stitch it better, if you have a better, you will stitch it properly. Take this one, hold this one this way. Okay, like this. Okay, upper and lower that right. Okay, that's right. These grow bags are, it will like look like this. This grow